Hi guys, welcome to M's Trading Room. And for those who don't know me, my name is also Good Peter, and I'm a trader and I do love trading. So today I actually have some trades for you guys, and I was really happy because I got 2 subscribers. So like I first had one, and right now I have two, and right now those two guys that motivated me to create for them another video, and I'll always be here to drop for you guys. Just make sure to subscribe, and my subscribers just know that this is for you guys. This is for you guys. So this is a room for traders, and we do get trades here. So I actually have trades for you guys on crypto. So this is you can see this is Ethereum. Ethereum. So Ethereum here, what I could see is these two zones here. This first zone here, this blue bar here, and then at the top here, there was another high here. The price had never been at. So price just tapped this zone, and you can see I also have these minor levels here, this one here and this one here, the gray lines. So let's go to the weekly. So on the weekly you can see we are still struggling in between these two zones. This was a triple top actually. One touch, okay, double top, one touch and then two touch here. This was the second touch. So right now price is in between this blue bar here. This is major resistance, this is minor, this is minor support, because price has broken through and now it's sitting on top. So right now what we have to do is like we really have to wait. But what I can tell you guys is I do see a trade coming through here, but we have to wait for price to give us a clear direction. So let's go to the daily. So on the daily you can see price. So let me just adjust this bar here, this yellow, this group line here, just to let you guys, because you can see this is a demand zone, this is also a demand zone. So price came here and then shot back up. So right now price is seated here at this demand zone there, right there. So what do we do? Let me first check something here, just to make sure it's aligning with the previous price action. Let me see. Okay, so we'll take this to the double top here, and you can see there was another touch right here. Okay, great. So right now price has breached through this bar here, this gray line here. This is like it's like a key level, so we just have to like pay attention. That's why you can see prices meandering around, like it has no clear direction or whatsoever. So but I do see something like a triangle pattern. Let me show you something. You see this? So price could break out at any level, but whatever price does, we are going to make money. So let's go to the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, what can I see? I do see this nice trend line, this one here, with the first touch, second touch, third touch. So but I do see some base here, some sort of base right here. So two things. Price could price could either shoot up back to this trend line to the top here, or price could come and tap this support this support bar here, this yellow bar that I've put here. Let me first take this out, because what I can see right now, let me first take this and bring it right here. It looks to me like a breakout retest, breakout retest. The retest is here. So what I want to tell you guys, you can go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour, you can see price is respecting this trend line, the way it's touching it right around here, right here. So what you could do, you could wait for price to come and break above this gray line here before you can start buying to this level here, right there, that level there. So if you're looking at buying, first wait for price to do what it has to do here. But all I can tell you is this is what I'm waiting for. Let me show you. Let me show you what I'm waiting for. So to me, price looks like it was doing this, like it's coming for that third touch of this trend line here. As you can see, this was the first touch, second touch, third touch. Third touch is there. So what am I going to do? Let me first take this out. I'm going to go to the 1 hour and place my counter trend line. If I get a bullish engulfing candlestick out of this, then I'll be buying short term. So you can actually see that. So but right now what I can tell you guys is don't buy unless we breach through this gray line here. Because let me show you on the weekly, because you can see it has come back into this range here. So you have to be like patient, or else you lose your money. So you have to be patient, because you can see it has come back and it's tapping into this supply zone. So if price can remain above this, then I don't see no reason why we can't buy to this blue bar here. Actually, I don't see no reason why we can't be buying to this blue bar here. So right now, if you really be patient with yourself. But if at all we do come back up here, if we do break above this and get a retest, I don't see no reason why you should be buying. Your first level target should be this. Then your second obviously is this blue bar here, which will make a lot of money. Let me show you what I mean. Oh no. So when I come to the 1 hour, I'm talking about something like this counter trend line. Let's go to the daily. So right now we're actually seated on a demand zone. This is a demand zone. This here, you can actually see this price respected here. Price came and touched it. So if you get what I mean, so if price can bounce off this, then I don't see no reason why we shouldn't be buying. It's actually, let me check something just to see if this is a 50 fib level. So actually we are still playing around this level, so be patient. Be patient. Once we get that signal, then I don't see no reason why we can't be buying. Yeah. So right now all you should do is just sit on your hands and be patient for this setup to complete. Get a breakout of that counter trend line, then you're free to buy. First level target is 4,210. Then next level is 4,700. Yeah. So let me take you guys to Tron Coin. I do love Tron Coin and I've been trading it now like for quite some time. So let's start from the beginning. Let me delete everything. Okay, nice. So we are here on the monthly. What can you see? You can see a clear uptrend. Like I don't even need to tell you that this is a clear uptrend. We had this higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So you just know this is an uptrend. So what can I see? Actually had this, we breached through it. We had this was like some sort of double top. Let me show you. It was some sort of double top. What happened? Price breached through it and then we're buying. So you can see this pattern here: high, low, high, low, high, low. So after this is like just a low, so it's just short term. So you know we're in an uptrend. So the highest level price has printed for us is okay, basically now, because I you can say this week, but I'm meaning like this here right now. Nice. So let's go to the weekly. We had this level here. Okay, let's go slow. So what I noticed, price was here. Let me load this. Price came and this is A to B to C to D. Like profit taking is happening right now. So if you watch my previous video, you will know what I'm talking about, because price came up here and came in the 50 fib level, and price pushed it up to the day extension. At the day extension is like where profit taking is going to happen, or where the move is supposed to like end before a retracement. So that's what's happening right now. So price came here, it tapped this zone, and not can you see price is falling back. Nice. It's not that hard. You just need to have your D extension right here. This here. A to B to C to D to D, profit taking. So that we have right now we have understood profit taking is around there. Let me now take you guys over to the daily. Let me take you guys to the daily. So on the daily, what do we see? Let me first take out this. The daily, what do we see? Let's first go back to the weekly and plot out the demand zone. So the demand zones we're having right now is this, and there is this. Those are two demand zones. So now let's go to the daily. So price broke out of this trend line here. We had a trend line here, nice one. You can see this trend line nice and clear. So price broke out. This is a breakout, retest, continuation to the downside. So price always respects the touches of the trend line. This was the first touch here. So price has breached through it. So where is price going to next? It's down here. This demand zone here. So right now, what are we going to be doing? We're going to be selling. So let me first take out this trend line. Now that we have understood that this is a breakout and a retest, profit taking is going. It's now going to this next level. So now let's look for selling opportunities in this short-term downtrend. But the overall trend is an uptrend. But I said right now, price is going through profit taking. So we are now going to be selling by short term. So let's go now. So on the daily, what can we see? I do see some minor supports here that would not like change to resistance. Oh my god, nice. So now that we have seen this, you see, you get this, I know you get it. So let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, what are we going to be doing? We're going to wait for a trend, a retracement that looks like this one here, like the previous one. So you can see this was a push down, push up, push down, push up. Then it's going to push down, push up, then push down, then push back up. So what we are going to do ideally is wait for retracement back to this support level that has now turned into resistance. So if I do pull down my trend line, yeah, nice. So you can see we should wait for price to come back and touch this trend line here. Okay, let me do this again. The trend line is here. I hope you get it. So this is the trend line. So what we should do ideally is wait for price to come back, tap this bar here or this trend line, and then I don't see no reason why we shouldn't be selling. So let me check. Yeah, we should wait. This will be a nice confluence. I know when we have a confluence, she is going to be strong. Yeah, you see the way this matches clearly. A to B. C will come somewhere here. D will complete somewhere around here. But this is nice. Support. This is resistance. This is the 50 fib level. This is the trend line. They all meet in one place. If price touches there, I will be selling. I will be selling, yes. As long as price gives me a bearish engulfing candlestick out of this place here, I don't see no reason why I shouldn't be selling Tron coin. Delete. So it will look like something like this. Yeah. This is a 1 to 5.6. That's classic. This is really classic. So what we should do right now is wait. You should wait. I don't see no reason why we shouldn't fall down here. Trend line broken. Breakout retest. You can see this was a nice trend line to the upside, but price breached through it, broke it, and had a retest. So ideally, the first level of selling should have been somewhere around here. Yeah. But since we missed that, we still do have another chance to get into. All we should do right now is like we should wait. We should really wait. So let me take you guys over to oil. So I remember oil. I told you guys oil was going to fall first to this first level target. And what did price do? It came and tapped it. So my positions are actually took my stop. I got stopped out for a break even, not a loss, a break even, because I put my stop loss past break even. So right now, I'm just waiting. So what we should do right now on oil is just give it time. Give it time. Just watch my previous video and you get to understand the analysis we did on oil. You can see my buy is still there. Like price came, it tapped my bar, it tapped it and it has respected it. Like I haven't moved it, I swear. If you check my video, the way I left it is the way it is right now. Price came, tapped it, never tampered with it. But though I closed out, I like took some profits when price tapped here. I think I took about 60% of my profits. Right now, oil, all I would advise you is to stay out of it for now. For now, let's go to silver. So silver, analyze silver together. So this is the highest level. This there's another level here. And there is another here. You just need to look and then you get it, you understand it on your own. I mean, like, not on your own, but you don't need anyone to tell you about how to. Just look at the charts. Just look at it. So right now, price has tapped this highest level here. This is actually a supply zone. So you can see price was in a nice uptrend till it got up here. This was also a supply level. This one too. This one. So let's go to the weekly. Weekly, you can see it's still it was price has breached through that level. Let me check. Yeah, price has even gone past through it. So price has done. Price has had a breakout, and it's now it has broken out of this level, of this highest level here. Remember, like this is the highest level on the monthly time frame. But price has broken out and it has printed red candles back to the level. So we have understood that on the weekly that price has broken through and it's coming back, like it just touched it from on top. Like this was resistance, but it's now trying to act as if support, but we should like wait. So let's go to the daily. The daily is showing price has even come back below here, below this level. We have some let me check if there is any trend line here. There is this, but we still have space. So if I'm to bring out my Fibonacci tool from swing low to swing high, yeah, price hasn't tapped it yet, but we should wait because this is the point of indecision. This could be a fake out, or price could continue. Let's go to the 4 hour. Daily, if price comes back with a breakout and a retest, then a continuation, I don't see why we shouldn't be buying, but right now there is this sort of trend line. Price has broken out, but it's still below this what I can't buy. It's below this gray bar. If you noticed on the monthly, this is it's a key zone. It's a key zone. You see, this is a massive supply zone. Like you shouldn't be buying right now because you can see even on the monthly. This candle, the candle, this is classic. This green candle here, he printed outside, yeah, but it has closed. It's okay, it hasn't yet closed, but it has come back inside. So we're in October. We're in the last days of October. So what you should do right now is like you should wait for and see where this candle is going to close, because this is the week that's outside. It's the week on the monthly. So price could just fall back down, all the way back here, but it won't just fall. But there's some level here, there's another one here. So price could fall back right back down here to 28.0698 an ounce. So what you should do right now is like be patient. So on the weekly, price is like still showing that it's above there. So what we should do right now is we should like really wait. So Bitcoin, last week I remember telling you guys that we were going to be selling Bitcoin, but I told you on one condition: if only if price breaks out from here, from this, because this is a double top. This is profit. This is a zone of profit taking. You just watch my previous video and then you'll get the analysis. But profit taking is happening right now. This is a double top on the weekly, and this bar that I put here, this one here, that's the neckline. And I told you guys what we should wait for is a push out, a clear push out, and a retest back to this neckline. Then you can sell all the way down to this trend line. So price hasn't yet done that. So right now you should be waiting. That's why I put this bar here, because most of you guys would just be selling Bitcoin. But right now, you should like really wait. Just be patient, and the trade will present itself. So right now, we are not touching that, but Ethereum is looking like a really nice trade to me. It's looking really nice. Only that we are still on this demand zone. We could push out or we could fall down. If at all, if at all we do push down, there is a bar here. There is this support level here. If at all we are going to drop, then what we'll do is we'll wait for price to break out here and come to break out and retest. Once we get a retest, then we shall place in our sell positions. If that doesn't happen, then so what we're waiting for is just a breakout of this. Two things could happen right now. Price could break out of this. We could buy with our first level target here. Remember, I said first level target. I don't want you to just be buying and hoping, and then you end up putting the blame of your losses on me. So this is actually what I had for you guys today. So the trades I have for you guys is one on Ethereum. There's another one on Tron Coin, and I told you guys to wait for silver because silver is in a point of indecision. Euro USD is still where we left it last time. GBP USD the same. All because of what? All because of DXY. That's why I haven't touched anything on that. So today I just came to tap on crypto. Crypto is actually nice. It's easy to trade, and I don't see no reason. I don't see no reason. Right now we're at this major key level. I mean not major. I mean minor level here. But it's a key level though. So we should be doing is wait. This gray what here. I did love trading when we were at this range because I had some nice positions. I remember that time I was trading Tron Coin and Ethereum. This was nice. This was nice because, but I remember almost almost entered a losing trade from here. But what saved me was this. What saved me was this zone here. So I'd actually entered in, but I almost made a loss. I almost made a loss. So I just actually closed out the position, but with some loss. Yeah, I made some loss, but I entered again somewhere right down here, and then I made money. So I was actually happy for that. Then I had another trade here. This retracement here. Then I wanted to enter in here, but this 4 hour candle was let me show you. This 4 hour candle, this one here, it just pushed too fast. I couldn't even trade it right now, but right now all this is happening because of this resistance zone. That blue bar up there, the blue bar, and this this gray line here, because you can see this is priced up tier once, twice, thrice, broke out. This might be a retest or it could push down. So either way, we shall make money. All you have to do is be patient. If you follow what I've told you, then I think you'll be able to survive. So my subscribers, just help me and comment. Just that's the only thing you're lacking to do. Remaining to do. Just comment on my videos and like say something. Say something you feel like. How was the video? Did it help you? Did you take the trades? How were the trades? Did anything help you? Do you want me to add something? And also tell a friend to subscribe, because this is a room for traders, and I don't see no reason why you shouldn't be subscribing. I don't see no reason why you shouldn't be subscribing. Right now, price is seated at this demand zone, so we should wait. Tron coin, I told you guys to wait for retracement there. Is there anything else I want to show you guys? Not really. Not really. Gold. For you guys who love gold, gold broke out of this trend line. This was a huge sell off, it was massive. So, ideally, if you want to be selling, you should wait for a retest back. This looks like it wants to come back for a retest back to this trend line, then sell off. Sell off back to here. First level target, but right now, gold doesn't yet exactly tell me what it wants to do. So just be patient. Let it tell its story. Let it tell you what it wants to do before you jump in. Because this was a massive sell-off. Price could either sell off or buy off, but whatever I'll be. I'll drop out another video for you guys. Silver, be patient with silver. If we get a bullish engulfing candlestick back up here, I don't see no reason why you shouldn't be buying with our first level target here. So all in all, you should wait. You should wait. Yeah, you should really wait. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for this, and please do subscribe to the channel. Do that. So until we meet, peace out.